A big thanks to Bernhard for sponsoring this episode.
I'm not gonna tell you what this is, but I'm gonna show you what you can do with it. Now, of course, there's gonna be a whole recipe for this, and you can find it on pitmasterx.com. Check it out after the video. And it's not really important what this is. All you need to know is that this redness tastes good in combination with the fat that it has. Basically, I don't want to scare you because the end result is going to be so amazing. Let's get started. The first thing to do is to trim off the silver skin from these beautiful pieces of meat. Once they're all cleaned up, it's time to start working on our barbecue rub, which consists of 1 part light sea salt like fleur de sel, half a part paprika powder, half a part onion powder, half a part curry powder, and a 1/4 part ground black pepper. Now mix that all up, put some mustard on these beautiful cuts of meat, and sprinkle on that barbecue rub. Once they're all dusted up, it's time to fire up our Bernhard smoker. The smell that comes off these beauties is insane. I think it's the curry that triggers me the most. Super, super beautiful smell. This is gonna be so tasty. So I'm gonna place them on the grill grate. I'm just gonna let the smoker do its job. I'm gonna close the lid. I'm going to let these smoke at a temperature of 120 degrees Celsius. And I think it's going to take around 3.5 to 4 hours. And then I'm just going to take my thermometer, poke into them, and I just need them soft and tender. This is going to be 96 degrees Celsius. That's what I'm looking for. Almost ready to pull. Our beautiful pieces of meat are currently at a temperature of 70 degrees Celsius. And they build up their bark, they look good, but I don't want them to dry out. And they're getting pretty dry already, so I'm gonna transfer them to this aluminum pan, place them in, add a lot of butter, and then cover them up to put them back on the grill again. I'm going to let these continue to cook until we hit a core temperature of 96 degrees Celsius. When these beautiful pieces of meat hit a core temperature of 96 degrees Celsius, I'll let them rest for 30 minutes. And now I'm going to put them in a little bit of flour, dip them in some egg, and then put on some breadcrumbs. And this is a mixture of panko and breadcrumbs to get that extra crispy crust. And finally, I'll put them in my fryer. There you have it. This is the barbecue bomb. Deep fried barbecue. Now tell me you don't want deep fried barbecue.
I'm a simple man. You give me deep fried things on a plate, I'm gonna eat it anyway. Doesn't matter what it is. Here we go. What?
Hold up. In the Netherlands, we do a lot of deep frying. I'm talking about a lot of deep frying. This is what we're known for. Except for cheese, milk, butter, stuff like that, we're known for deep frying. In Greece, they have gyros, or as we call it, gyros. In Italy, they got pizza. We deep fry. Frikandel, that's what we do. Kroket, that's what we do. Why is this better than kroket?
I wasn't even hungry. Holy moly, that's good.
Why isn't this in our fry stores?
Focus on that smoke ring. That's crazy. That's insane. Freaking insane.
But it's not like you're eating a steak or something. It's like it falls apart when you bite into it. And then with the smoke and all of the flavors from the rub that's inside this.
And I'm fully blown away. Fully blown away. Every Dutchman should have this in their home. Deep fried, sitting there, waiting there to be eaten. It's amazing.
The only thing I'm currently missing is mayonnaise. But seriously. Dolly sauce is here to save the day. Like, if you're Dutch, you're eating fried. By the way, my kids don't like mayonnaise. Is that normal?
That's really not normal.
It's not normal, right?
No, you should throw them away.
Yeah, my kids, I love them. Yeah,
but no mayonnaise?
No mayonnaise.
Have you told them what it is?
I don't care. I'm not going to tell them. We're going to put this in restaurants. We're going to put this in fry shops. We're going to put this everywhere. What if I would tell you that if you're subscribed. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna make a community post for everyone that's subscribed, letting them know what this is. I got whole theories about how we're going to hit the 1 million subscribers.
And this is the only way?
No, but this is one of my tricks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe.
If you have any idea, a clue what it could be, tell us.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And if you did, leave it a big thumbs up in the comment down below, but I already told you that. And
Big thank you to the patrons and the YouTube members. Hope to see you guys next time.
rock.
That's right.
Eet smakelijk.
Tot ziens.
And keep on grilling.
That's right. But it's got the new cap thingy. Ooh. See, you don't have to worry. You can do like, bam! Oh.
Hey man. Yeah man, this is really safe. It's really, really safe.
Morrison, I'm so sorry.